The 2020 Expedition has 3 different models. You have the XLT, the Limited, and the Platinum. I just want to go over a few key features that the vehicle has. It has the lane keeping system, the blind spot monitoring, which is in the corner of both mirrors. It also has the pre-collision assist, which is actually up here. It'll light the windshield up red and indicate a potential accident. One of the great features of the car is the 360 camera that splices a number of cameras together on the vehicle to give you an aerial view. It's always been such a pain to get in the back of the car, but all you have to do now is grab this, tilt the seat forward, and then you just climb on in. And then it just pulls right back down, and you have plenty of space in the third row for any passenger still. Standard in all models, power third row. Check out the new 2020 Expedition today, or visit us online at Soerens.com.